Hey guys, it's Miss J, and today I'm going to be giving you a little rundown of a site called MapHub.net, and this is a really great resource that you guys might want to look into for your PBL units when trying to create your maps. Now we're going to go to our search engine. I recommend Chrome. It works the best. You're going to type in MapHub.net, and when you find it, this is what's going to come up. Now, it is focused right here because, of course, we're in San Marcos, but really great thing about this resource is it can focus anywhere in the entire world, so you can really kind of pick where you want to focus. But for today's little lesson, I'm going to zoom in here on San Marcos. We're going to find Texas State. Boom. Okay. So with this, you are able to create custom maps, you are able to customize icons, customize images, add your own images, add your own markers, add your own names, things like that. So, for example, say I wanted to mark the distance between my bus stop and one of my courses. So for example, we would go over here, we have different tools on the left hand side in these little boxes. And what's really great about this site is that each tool comes with a set of instructions on how to use it on the right in case you forget. Now, in order to create a point, we want to come to this little kind of marker symbol. And I want to find my stop. So I see that my stop is right here. We're going to click, and we've made a stop. So now I can name it anything I want. We're going to name it bus stop. Now I'm able to put a description. This is where I get off. We are able to add links. We are able to add images, which I think is really important for you guys. So we can add a bus loop image. And then boom, that adds that to our stop. We are able to customize the color so that way you guys can kind of play around with your creativity, really make it your own. We'll make it teal. Then you can even change the icon to different little symbols. So for this, I think we should do the little car. And boom, I've made one little stop on my map. Now we want to make another stop, and this would be at my actual class. Now my class is over here. This would be the music building. This is where I have class. You can add links again, add another image. We'll add a little music classroom. And again, this can be totally custom to images that you take, images that you find. Of course, if you find any images, make sure to give credit where credit is due. So now that we've added that to our second stop, again, we can just kind of customize it. We'll make it red, put a little fine art symbol, and we've made our second stop. Now again, there's no end to this. You can add as many stops as you would like, customize them to your ability. You are even able to make your own little symbols for each little stop if that's what you are wanting to do. Over here, you are able to connect different points, kind of from point A to point B. Again, you can customize that. You can label it. This is going to be a little way for you to shade out certain areas. So again, just utilizing different points. Now again, one thing I really like about this is you can edit your map to what you are trying to show. You are able to make certain layers invisible, make them visible again, just so that you're really able to break up what you're working on. And of course, you're able to add text, so you can add certain labels to your map as well to ensure that whoever is looking at your map is going to understand it. Now, this is a free resource, so I really do recommend going in, trying it out, and seeing how it can help you in your PBL unit. Okay, thanks guys, bye.